How to save photos on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily save photos on TikTok. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. So the first thing that you want to do is open up your TikTok and make sure that you are logged into your account. And once you are logged in, all you have to do is head over to your profile section, or you could just search for any photos that you want to download. So for example, I have this post right here that I want to download. So what I'd do is simply tap on the share icon or long press on this. And then here you have an option to save photos. What you can also do is here I have some wallpapers saved on my profile. So I'm just going to tap here and then tap on this right here. So if you want to save this, what you can do is tap long press on the screen. As you can see, this unfortunately does not have the save option, but these photos right here, they have the option to be saved. So just go ahead and long press on the photos that you want to save and then tap on save photo. And once you do that, you can select the photos that you want to save. You could just choose the ones that are the wallpapers. And once you do this, you can just easily go ahead and tap on the save icon right here. And it will save these photos to your gallery. So that's pretty much it. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.